you. I was gonna run for you.
Oh, I look like a snack. Oh, I look like a snack.
I never wanna see you stressing. No, I never wanna see you stressing. God's gotta run for you, no, run for you. And girl, you're a blessing. I never wanna see you stressing. Cause baby girl, you're a blessing. I got you, you're my best friend. And don't you know you're a blessing? I never wanna see you stressing, queen, that's true. And God's got a plan for you. God's got a plan for you. You're a queen, that's true. God's got a plan for you, yeah. God's got a plan for you. Baby girl, you're special. I never met nobody like you. I even told my brothers about you.
So today's video is gonna be a hair and makeup tutorial transformation. I haven't done one in a minute, so I thought, let me get back into it. Let's get back to it. Get back to it. My favorite hair brand. This hair, it was super easy to install. It took me 20 minutes, like from lace, from in the box to on my head and laid like this. 20 minutes. I didn't even need to pluck it very much. Like it's just amazing. I absolutely love My First Wigs, and it's called My First Wigs because it's like for beginners. So you don't even need to know too much about wigs. Like I don't really know too much, so it's perfect for anybody. It comes pre-plucked. It's amazing. So definitely check them out in the description box. And also, of course, this beat, honey. Have you ever seen me this beat in your life? I haven't even seen myself this beat. Like, I look like a snack. I added some new makeup into my routine, and I think that's changed the game. I've changed my setting powder, and I've changed my technique on how I blend. You guys will have to wait and see, but it's game changing. So I learned it from TaylorMade Jane. If you guys watch her, she's amazing. So yes, without further ado, make sure you subscribe for more videos. You can't be watching this for free, baby girl. All you need to do is hit that subscribe. Oh girl. I feel like that meme. These lashes, I'm about to fly away with these lashes. Like, if I blink quick enough, I'm about to set off to the sunset. Offset. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know if you're feeling the vibe, because I'm feeling it. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling my. I really think I'm Beyonce after watching Homegoing. So. Oh hi. So I'm back at it again. You guys have seen me with this wig cap all the time, so I'm not even embarrassed at this point. So today I'm going to an ASOS dinner, and yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna go for like a little different kind of vibe. I'm gonna go for a bob look. I want that whole like 90s housewife, like rich housewife kind of vibe. I have My First wig today, and I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to make this wig work. So this is the wig. So basically they have an elastic, but you can also adjust it, which is really cool, as you can see there. So I'm gonna cut this lace first of all. It already comes really well plucked. The hairline is beautiful, and that's what I love about My First Wigs. So I'm just gonna cut away that lace. Ooh, I feel like that meme. So now I'm gonna grab the flyaway tamer and just use that at the top of my hair. So kind of just slick all the flyaways. Super cute, super slick. And I'm just gonna beat my face and we'll be right back. Hi, okay, so I've got the hair out the way. I'm gonna start on my face now. I'm gonna be using today this palette right here by Chantilly Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna be using a few more colors. These colors, let me tell you something, these colors are amazing. So this tutorial is gonna be super easy, especially because summer, we don't have all of that time to be. I really like quite simple eyes anyway, and that's what you guys seem to like as well, the majority of you anyway. I'm gonna start off with a wash of orange on my eyes. I'm using this really nice bright orange right here. You can see how pigmented that is already. So nice. It's so bright and pigmented. And this palette is very affordable as well, so that always helps. Just gonna pack it on. And then the other eye. So I'm not going to darken up the corners because I just feel like I want to keep that color. I don't really want to change it because the color is stunning, especially on dark skin. So yeah, and then next I'm actually going to use my fingers. I know might be a bit taboo, but I found that it looks the most effective for what look I want to go for. I want to go for like a really soft gold in the middle. So I'm going to use, it's coming up kind of gold, but it's more like a bright Fanta orange. You know that like African Fanta? That's what it looks like. I'm gonna use my ring finger, and it's so creamy. Look, that's just one press, and look how pigmented it is. Ooh, child. So I'm just gonna go in the middle of my eyelid and pack it on, just in the center. Don't drag it out too much. I just want it to be like a spotlight. And then this gold now as well. Just in the middle to add a bit of dimension. It makes it look more 3D. You can do so many looks with this palette as well. I'm also gonna do a yellow one in the future. You can do a red. There's also muted browns. This palette is really versatile. And because it's so pigmented and it has also dark shades, you can really get your money's worth out of it. So I'm happy with that look. It's just super simple. I'm gonna use a liner. I'm gonna use a liquid liner. I'm gonna be doing one-to-one sessions in the summer. So if you guys are interested in one-to-one sessions, if you live in Birmingham, UK, United Kingdom, not Birmingham, Alabama, you guys can fly me out if you want, like meet and greet in Birmingham, Alabama. But yeah, if you're in Birmingham and you want to get your makeup done by me, then DM me or email me. I'm doing one-to-one sessions, and I'm also doing prom makeup for any of you guys that want to get your makeup done. Okay, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup powder to set my face. The other thing I love about using a brush is that you don't have to bake. Like, it just makes your face look super flawless without having the need to bake. Like, look at that side of my face. Like, are you actually sick? I look sensational. I look smashing, darling. Smashing. What do you mean? The thing I love about this palette as well is you can use it as a blush. So I'm gonna use that orange and tap it away. It works as such a nice blush for a wash of like color. Works really well on dark skin. Lovely, darling, lovely. And then I'm using this brush again, just under my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of Beauty Bakery, just a touch, so I can brighten my under eyes just a bit more. Oh, incredible. The Beauty Bakery powder is just sensational as well, guys. For lashes, I'm gonna go real dramatic. I'm gonna use these lashes from Ellie Lux Lashes. I've just put glue on them. Look how dramatic these are. I'm so excited to wear these. It's a black owned business as well, so you know I gotta support. Oh, yeah, these are the level of extra I'm trying to beat all my life, to be honest. Okay, I'm feeling these. I'm gonna line my lips and then finish off the rest of my face. And then top that off with the Hydro Gloss. Highlighting with the Revolution Vivid Bronzer. Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock on World. Woo! And then we have a look. Ooh, baby, baby. It's a vibe. Using a white liner under my eyes to just make the illusion of bigger, brighter, more awake eyes. Mascara is from Primark. I'm going to be using it under my lower lash line.
You, I was gonna run for you, you know it's true. No. I never wanna see you stressing. No, I never wanna see you stressing. Cause gotta run for you, no.